Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the monitor can actually run above 60 Hz. Some panels are locked to 60 Hz. Once done, swap to DisplayPort or a high-bandwidth DVI. HDMI often restricts high refresh at high resolution. Make sure you update GPU drivers before changing anything because driver support unlocks custom modes. Then open your GPU control panel so you're ready to create or select a higher refresh rate. This step prevents wasted effort later when software won't accept the new mode. Now you'll create the higher refresh mode. In the GPU control panel, choose Custom Resolution or use CRU for deeper edits. This lets you raise refresh to 120 or 144 Hz. When available, select Reduced Blanking to lower pixel clock and stay within cable limits. Apply the new mode and accept any test prompt. If the screen goes black briefly, wait for the driver fallback. Reboot or restart the graphics driver after applying changes to ensure the monitor negotiates the new timings and stays stable. Finally, activate the mode in Windows. Display Settings, Advanced Display, then choose the adapter properties and list all modes to pick 120/144 Hz. Make sure the monitor OSD confirms the higher refresh. If you see flicker or blackouts, try lowering the refresh a notch or enabling reduced blanking and replace the cable or move to a different port. If the display fails to come back, use the built-in fallback countdown or boot safe mode to undo custom timings. One key troubleshooting tip: have a second monitor or safe mode plan ready to revert changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.